What's up, everybody? Wow, long time no see. I have been MIA for quite some time, but today's video isn't going to be any makeup tutorial. As you can tell, I already have my face done for the day, but I think this video was well overdue, and honestly, this in general was way overdue. I have this entire bin full of crap I've had probably for months, years, stuff that products I just don't like. Oops. Products that I just don't like, and they're products that I just do not like, or I just don't use anymore because they're old and they'd make my skin break out. Anyway, before we get to that, I just want to say thank you for watching these videos. It means so much to me that you guys pay attention to my life and pay attention to things that I do, because it's kind of weird. Anyway, let's get started. So I have so many things in this bin, from lip gloss to eyeliner to foundation to powder products, and it is all just so old and nasty. Y'all, I have this lip gloss from MAC. This was I probably purchased this in 2007. That's disgusting. I should not have this. It's super crusty on the inside and nasty and everything. Ugh. Ugh. And I have some Smashbox products that came in a pack. A lot of products have the expiration date after you open the product. These ones do not. So who knows how old these things are. Anyway, more lip glosses and stuff. Okay, this product, I really need to talk about this product. I saw these products on, Pinterest. It's a drugstore product. It's super cheap and affordable. I loved the product because the product was smooth and silky on the skin. It wasn't matte, which I do like matte foundations, but it was just so thick. This one is the Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. I've had it for over 12 months and it says the expiration date is 12 months after opening. I just did not like this product, and the primer as well. I did not like this product because it was heavy and thick. It just clogged my pores, made me break out, and I just don't like this product. I also have this Stila product. This is so old. I have some NYX products in here as well. I also have old things like old eyelash glue. This was a Marc Jacobs sample from Sephora. See, look at that. What? That's not even a good tip to do eyeliner. So some MAC products that I have back in my MAC days when I was obsessed with MAC. So I have some powder products and I have the gel eyeliner. I used to be so obsessed with this eyeliner. Look at her now. Oh, she's so crusty and old and nasty. I don't always wear eyeliner, and if you don't use these gel products within the time that you're supposed to after you open them, so it doesn't dry out as fast. But yeah, I really did like this product. However, using the brushes, you had to clean the brushes often, so that was kind of a pain, but it was a good product. I liked it. A Maybelline product. Girl, let me tell you, I hated this. The only thing this did was clog my pores. That's how it erased my pores. It just filled them up, and it was okay, they're gone, but the product is in your skin now. So, hated that. So that is it for this bad bin makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me go through all of my old makeup from years ago that I should not have anymore. I highly recommend that you guys check the expiration dates on your products, because you will break out. Something bad's gonna happen. We don't know what's gonna happen, but something bad is gonna happen. That would not be good, you know? So anyway, thank you guys for watching me clean out my makeup desk. It feels good to start fresh, so subscribe to my channel, give this a thumbs up, and leave a comment below on other things that you would like to see in the future.